Rapp It, the ultimate pipe repair bandage. Rapp It is a quick-acting emergency pipe repair system. It's simple to use, with no mixing or measuring required, yet results in a strong repair within 30 minutes. Rapp It has been successfully used throughout the mining, processing, agricultural and marine industries for over 30 years. Our NATO certification is a testament to our quality and superior performance. It bonds to most pipe substrates, including steel, concrete, PVC, copper and polypipe. Rapp It withstands pressures up to 360 psi and temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius. It's also resistant to most chemicals.